Today we're going to look at apps, extensions, and add-ons, what they are, some examples, and how to manage those across our district. Starting with apps, most of you probably have an app on your phone or on a tablet, and you know how those work there. This is an app on a computer. So if you look at the list here, you'll notice that you probably use some of these in website form right now. You would go to Newsella or you would go to Splash Math, and then you would use those websites. Well, you can think of an app as a web link. If you decide to add this app to your computer, then that will then show up in your waffle when you click on Show More, or on the left-hand side underneath your browser where you have your apps waffle. So just like an application would work on your phone or tablet, you can also have applications on your computer. Next, we have extensions. These might be less familiar to you, but you're all familiar with an extension cord. So if I have a device that I'm using and I need to extend its use so that it's easier for me to do something in another place, then I would get out an extension cord. This will do the same thing for your Chrome browser. If I am working in the Chrome browser and I'm reading an article, then I might want the Mercury Reader extension so that it takes all those ads and distracting things away, and I have a very readable form of an article. Read Write for Google allows you to highlight in many different colors, so you're extending the way that you're browsing. G Suite Training is a great extension. This will help you in all of your G Suite applications, as well as when you're using Chrome. You can click on that button, you can ask a question, get a tip or a helpful hint along the way. To the left of that, you'll see one called Turn Off the Lights. That is a video extension, so it kind of grays out everything around the video so you can really focus on what the video is showing and not everything around it, which could distract you. So those are all extensions that extend the use of what you're doing in your Chrome browser. Add-ons, on the other hand, are very specific to a program. So if I was going to add on or put an addition on my house, I would not be able to take that to another house and use it there. It would be very specific to my home. So this is something that you'll use for a specific application. The TH at the top would be a thesaurus. So we would want to use that when we're writing a paper in Google Docs. The one to the right of that, Flubaroo, helps with self-grading. So we would use that with forms and sheets. If you look down towards the bottom, you'll see a sheet that has many colors on it. So if I wanted to organize my information in Google Sheet better, I might use that one. There are also mail merge. There's ones for slides that could help you. The Digo one in the upper left-hand corner is kind of like a clipboard would be in Microsoft Word, except it would work across the whole G Suite. So you can see that there are a lot of options when it comes to apps, extensions, and add-ons. My advice to you, if you haven't used any of these, is to start with one. Find one that works well for your classroom. Find one that helps you with productivity. Do not be overwhelmed by these. They're here to help you. Also, in that process, they're here to help your students. So please go back to your email and check out the information that's listed there as we decide as a district to develop policies to help manage these apps and add-ons. Thank you for your time and for stretching yourself in the area of technology with apps, add-ons, and extensions. Have a great week.